Hey guys, it's Grunt, and welcome to the unboxing review of the, forgot the name of it, Blue Snowball Ice Microphone. Lovely little box here. And this is going to improve my stream quality. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get unboxing. We got our little tapey bit here. I'm gonna need to cut right quick. Cut it. Alrighty. Now we can open this boy up. Let's take a look inside. I'll let you guys see first. We got our little tab here. We can go ahead and pull that out. Oh, there's something heavy in there. Probably the main mic. Oh, it stands up by itself too, doesn't it? What's in there?
Blue.
Blue? Does it just say blue? Just blue. Blue.
Just blue.
Make everything blue. Yeah, there we go. All right. Blue. Hey, Michael, Snowball fight. Pretty, it's got some weight to it.
That's why I die.
It does got some weight to it. And it does look like a little snowball. Snowball! Look at this little stuffy boy. What is this? It's got some little balls in there. We'll go ahead and we'll eat them later. Yeah, they're in there. That's a snack. There's a snack.
Take this seriously.
Here you can see on the back there is a plug for our cord that'll eventually plug into our computer, as well as some other random gobbledygook that lines our ball here. If you want to go ahead and get a quick look at that, you can pause the video.
Several times.
Transition. We're down here. Save our snack for later. I'll just go ahead and tuck that in here for later. Yeah, if you want to keep this in pristine condition, probably don't just grab at the tab and just start pulling on it, because as you can see, tore pretty easy. We got our cord nice and tucked up in that bag, and our little cute little tripod here. Little cute little. All right. And then our last little bit of stuff that's left in our box here. Why don't we go ahead and get this set up? Oh, my bad. All right, where were we? Anyways, yeah. Alright, so now that we're handheld, let me show you how we set this up. Here is the cord that came in the package. I've ran it up behind and brought it out front right here. Didn't plug it in yet. Here is the stand that came with it. And if you guys remember in an earlier video where I set this up, the only way I know how, using something else that didn't work to make this work. Now what we're going to use this for is we're going to set this up behind my monitor here and attach the light to this. You just don't want to clamp it on the screen because, you know, when you clamp it on the screen, it's just gonna, if it doesn't, I might completely ruin this thing. So definitely, if you guys were going to plan on doing the same thing I'm doing, probably wait and see what happens. So now we have this arm here with my light, and we put that little bit back on there, which took a minute, but you know, if you had one of these, you put your little metal thingies in there in the center and put your boy, your little screwy boy in the middle. How are we sounding now, guys? I got this way up closer here, and so my setup from before didn't work. As you guys can see in our shot here, I had to move this so that way it would be in a better, closer spot. So as you can see here, this is me talking into it pretty close. I'm pretty close right now. This is unusually close. Like I normally wouldn't be this close to it when I'm talking. So as I get further away here, this is with my bad chair. This is about as close as I would be while I'm gaming. But if I wanted to get really close and quiet my voice down and talk a little more, it'll look like this and it'll sound like this. Sounds a lot clearer the closer I get, obviously. It's your boy Grunt here, and we're testing to see how quiet I can get with this microphone. And now, going to get even quieter. Sound difference. Alrighty. But anyways though, and about my normal speaking voice, this would be about as loud as it would get. My thoughts on this? It's got some really good quality on it. It's a lot higher quality than I thought it was going to be. Originally I was planning on getting the Blue Yeti Blackout, but I went with this because it's a lot cheaper if you're looking to run on a budget, which, you know, that's what I'm going for, is cheaper stuff. Because this one is about around 55 bucks, and the Blue Yeti Blackout was around 120. So this saved me quite a bit of money. And they're pretty close when it comes to audio. Like, from what I could tell from different reviews that I looked into, they weren't very different. There was like very little difference. Overall, for $50, I think it's definitely worth the purchase, but it needs to be kind of close. So you need to try to get this as close to you as possible to get its best sound. It doesn't have to be right up next to you, as you could tell, but definitely the closer you get, the better the quality. I remember on one video I watched, people were saying that the sound from this was like a little more rattly because of the casing. I don't think that's true. Hit that subscribe button and the bell if you haven't already, so that way you don't miss out on our next great video, which could very well be another unboxing. Probably not, but who knows? I don't know. Maybe. Anyways though, I feel like I'm saying that way too much. Share this video if it was helpful. Share it to somebody else that might be interested in getting a microphone such as this beautiful little fella here, because it's not that bad. Save your money, and we'll see you guys next time. Until then, guys. Oh, I almost forgot about my candy. Well, down the hatch.